Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to learn a brand new song about transport with my friend Little Potato. Are you ready? Well, come on then, let's go.
1, 2, 3, go. Little potato, it's a beautiful day. Little potato, I feel like going away. Wow!
Let's ride my bike, go see my friend Mike. Let's ride my bike, ride my bike.
Little potato, it's a beautiful day. Little potato, I feel like going away.
So let's take the bus, we'll go see your friend Gus. Let's take the bus, take the bus.
Yeah!
'Cause it's transport we take to go from here to there. Transport is great to race anywhere. Little potato, it's a beautiful day. Little potato, I feel like going away. Yeah. Let's drive my car, go see my grandma. Let's drive my car, drive my car.
Little potato, it's a beautiful day. A little potato, I feel like going away.
Let's fly your plane, we'll go see my friend Zane. Or we could drive my car, we could go see my grandma. Or we could take the bus, go see your friend Gus. Or we could ride my bike, ride my bike.
Yeah!
'Cause it's transport we take to go from here to there. Transport is great to race. Well, it's transport we take to go from here to there. Transport is great to race anywhere. Wow, that was crazy. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon. Bye.